Ever tried to hold in a sneeze during a meeting or in public? Think again. It could literally kill you. When you block a sneeze by pinching your nose or closing your mouth, you are trapping up to 100 miles per hour of pressure inside your skull. That pressure has nowhere to go. And in rare cases, it can rupture blood vessels in your brain, neck, or eyes. There have even been reports of stroke, hearing loss, or collapsed lungs. Doctors say it is rare but real. Holding in a sneeze is like setting off a mini explosion in your head, with your face as the pressure cooker. So next time that sneeze builds up, let it out. Your body is just trying to protect itself.